The emergency brakes on an elevator can generate 62.5 kilonewtons of thrust. So here's our elevator. 62.5 kilonewtons is just 62,500 newtons, right? Of course, that won't be the only force acting on the elevator. There'll be the force of gravity, right? So if this is 1520 kilograms, the force of gravity is 1520 times 9.8. Let's figure that out. 14,896 newtons. 14,896. Okay. And this will be positive. This force of gravity is always negative, right? So the first thing I'm going to do, I guess, is I'm going to solve for the acceleration, right? So 62,500 minus 14,896. Uh-oh, somebody's car alarm is going off. So 1520. I don't know if they're home either. Okay, and then that's times A. So I'm going to go 62500 minus, I'm getting 47604 is 1520A. A is equal to, I just divide, right? So that divided by 1520 is 31.318. And that's positive 31.318 meters per second squared. Now, notice that it's falling, it's going down, but it's going to accelerate up, right? So it'll stop pretty fast here. Let's figure this out. Okay. X, VI, VF. Okay, so our initial velocity is negative 34.5. Final velocity is 0. Acceleration is positive 31.318. Now, okay, it's moving down, but it's accelerating up. So this means it's slowing down and stopping, right? And then we want X, so we use no T, right? So VF squared is VI squared plus 2 AX. So 0 squared is minus 34.5 squared plus 2 times positive 31.318. And I guess we're solving for X. Okay, so let's see. 34.5 squared is 1190. And if I put it on this side, it's negative 1190.25. That equals 2 times 31.318. And this acceleration comes from this, right? Times X. Okay, so now I'm going to take this number, divide by 2. I'm going to divide by that 31.318 number, and I'm actually just going up arrow with my calculator till I get it, and I hit enter. And I get that X is equal to negative 19.0 meters. Now, why is it negative? Well, because it's moving down, right? And in the act of stopping, it's going to keep going down for some distance before it stops, and that's why it's negative. All right.